We're excited to be here in Atlanta at the auto show. We've got our all-new model year 20 that we're introducing to the public. It's an incredible machine. It's a brand new powertrain that we created internally. We're also introducing our auto drive, which we think is really important. We know a lot of consumers that don't drive manuals want to get into a vehicle like this but don't know how to drive them. Now we have the auto drive, and we really want to see you guys come out this weekend. In fact, we're going to have demos outside. You guys can sign up, take it out. We've got a route that's going to take you through downtown. Everyone will turn their heads and look at you driving this vehicle. So we hope to see you out here this weekend.